jotelo mag ute thieth mitayo kod ute lamo e boma bul mar Evangelical Alliance of Kenya ochiwo puoch gi pak ne jatend piny William Ruto e neno ni gopegi e bwo kuma mar thieth mar sirikal ochul. Jodolo go manolimo jatend piny e kar jot mare olero ni okumba mar thieth tiyo mayom kendo jopiny yudo thieth e yo makare.
Welcome to this meeting.
Jatend piny William Ruto nobago romo e kar jot mare Nairobi kod jotelo mar riwruok kanisa e boma bul mar Evangelical Alliance of Kenya mar twak e wi okang' mosego kod okumba mar thieth mar SHA.
As will be committed to support the government of Kenya.
Jodolo go olero ni gopegi osechul kendo gin kod winjruok makare kod tend SHA e wi chudo modong'.
I'm here to confirm that SHA is working, and it's working 100%. For our facilities, we had a few challenges which we have gone through with the SHA team. Personally, we went to the offices. Bwana Ngasira has been very helpful with his team.
Gidola chiel jotend ute thieth go po sirikal kuom kedo kod achiedh nade mayande gi yude bwo SHA ka koro ute thieth go tiyo yo makare.
Go to Tenok today, salaries are paid all across the faith base in the country. I met your friend, Bishop Kingo, I think 2 weeks ago at Delamere. I said, Bishop, have you been paid? He didn't even respond. He said, I will buy you a cup of...
With the introduction of SHA, I'm a proud bishop and a proud patron of that facility because we are able to meet our bills. And many people are flocking the facility.
Dwe mar adek higani ute thieth mag ute lamo norero kod jowadgi moko mag ute thieth mag ji giwegi e bwogo chungo chenro mag e bwo SHA e wi gope ma sirikal ne nigodo ahinya e bwo okumba machon mar NHIF.
We look like we were too mean to you. And the continuum between NHIF and SHA, people don't get it because we were already like so down with NHIF. And SHA was struggling to pick up. So that continuum has been an issue. But we want to say, Your Excellency, we're so grateful.
Jatend piny William Ruto singone jodolo gi ni sirikal biro medo bero chenro mag thieth ne jo Kenya duto.
I did make a commitment to the people of Kenya that I want to expand the horizons of health to get every Kenyan on board. It was a big undertaking, but my team and I were determined that it was time this happened.